have your rolls here. We have, looks like 4 rolls of the B's and 1 roll of the A. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run these through a C30-60, and then we're going to bag up the results for the A's, and then we're going to bag up the results for the B's and send them back to you. This material will be no problem at all. And what we do normally is we run it through a roll feed system, which would, you just put the roll on, it would just pull it in. But this is the unit we're going to run it on. It's going to be a C30-60 machine. We're just going to hand feed it, and I'll just send you the results from the feeding of it. We're running your A material now, and here it is coming out. So once we're done with the A's, we'll move to the B material. We'll bag it separately and then run it. We're processing your B material right now into the system. We've been through most of it. We got this one, this going up. This is your A material. You only sent us 1 roll of A, but this is your A material. And we've already got this much of your B material. So you'll have another bin or so of the B material. Here's how it's coming out. So what we'll do is we're going to box it all up for you and send it back this week.